Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Thursday, July 10th, 2014. It's now 2:27 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets all closed down, but well off of their lows of the day. The S&P closed down, but price remains in the short-term uptrend channel, though it did poke below the bottom for a period of time. Price also remains in the long-term uptrend channel. Resistance is at 1992. This is the Fibonacci 127% extension level. Support is at 1891 as seen by the green oval. The NASDAQ also closed down. The next upward target is 3942. Price remains in the short-term uptrend channel. The US dollar closed up, but as a doji. Price remains in our new short-term downtrend channel. Support is at 21.24 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Thursday, July 10th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are 2 strong currencies and 3 weak currencies. The qualified pairs are the Aussie New Zealand dollar, the Euro New Zealand dollar, the New Zealand US dollar, the Aussie yen, the Euro yen, and the US dollar yen. Here's our trade summary chart for July. For open trades, there are presently no open trades. As for new orders, yesterday we placed an order to buy 8 micros of the New Zealand US dollar at 0.8838. Target number 1 is 0.8862 and our stop loss is at 0.8703. The order did not fill and we'll leave it open for another day. Let's look at the price charts for our 6 qualified pairs today. The first is the Aussie New Zealand dollar. This is in a short-term downtrend channel. It would be a bearish trade. The second pair is the Euro New Zealand dollar. This would be a bearish trade. The third pair is the New Zealand US dollar. We currently have an order open on this Forex pair. Our order is to buy 8 micros at 0.8838. Target number 1 is 0.8862 and our stop loss is at 0.8703. The Aussie yen is our fourth pair. Price has been going sideways for several months. This would be a bearish trade. Fifth is the Euro yen. This would be a bearish trade. And our last pair is the US dollar yen. This has been in a long-term downtrend channel, and we would be looking at a bearish trade. Thank you for watching my daily Forex Trend Review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to DonchianTrader.com and request the free trading guide. My podcasts are now on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the 2 indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.